A rat. A rat is an animal. It looks like a mouse. It is bigger than a mouse. A rat can be white. A rat can be black. A rat can be brown. Some rats are pets. Some rats are lab animals. Some rats can make a man sick. Cats eat rats. Here are the word families for that story. Rat, cat, bat, mat, pat, fat, hat, sat, tat, vat. An, man, can, tan, ran, dan, pan, fan, ban, van. Lab, cab, tab, dab, jab, gab, nab, lab, tab, cab.